Okay, so we're gonna open the box with something very cool in it. So let's see. Make sure we don't cut anything other than the box. It's from Amazon Prime, and it is, let's put it the right way, my new Sigma X8G with supposedly an 8 megapixel camera, which I didn't order an 8 megapixel camera. I ordered a 5 megapixel camera. So if this thing contains an 8 megapixel camera, it's good, very, very good. So let's put it over this box here. So you see that? Nice box. I like it too. It's pretty cool. That's the remote right there. I think it is an 8 megapixel camera. It says 8 megapixel camera everywhere. And head free, 360 version, 6-axis stabilization system, perfect. Has an 8 megapixel camera, equip, 2.4 gigahertz, 14 and up. Sigma. If I'm pronouncing it wrong, forgive me because I'm trying to learn the names. This is for blade installation instructions. The back's and bottom, back's and the top. It says, let me see if I can fix this. There you go. Your own space in the sky. And on the bottom, all the regular information. Okay. Has a rechargeable battery. I'm wondering how much it weighs, because that will tell me what kind of license I need for this. I was reading about the licenses today, and then so I'll keep reading more about it so I can figure out if I need a license for it. If I do, then I have to pass a test too, a writing test, so I can operate this thing. Obviously, I'm gonna try it out first, then I'll search more about it. I want to go legal on this stuff. I don't want to take remove from me. Okay, so now we're gonna open the box.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, this is the Sigma gyroscope splitters. Okay, it's a quadcopter. Instruction manual, whatever. Ooh. Oh, hopefully it doesn't come like this. I'll be in pieces. Okay, so that's the manual. Let's be careful about this. It's $108. Ooh, did I open the wrong side? No, maybe. Probably did. Yes, I did open the wrong side. I don't know, maybe. Hopefully it's steady. Nothing else in the box. Comes the bad boy. Ooh, nice. This is very cool. Love the colors. Blades, put section. We'll check that one. Oh, this side we have. Oh, nice! Comes with 4 extra blades. Very good. Listening for right now. There's 4 more blades. Standing parts. This battery. Battery. Where's this? Power DC output. Okay. Camera. Supposedly 8 megapixels. The big huge remote. It's bigger than the adapter. This is the tiny pieces. What it is. And that will be it. Let's see any plus. Time to put it together. Okay. So here we go. I just finished making sure all the pieces are together. Let me just adjust this. Make sure it's good to view there. Just the camera adjust a little bit. Okay, so I finished putting this together. See, I got the blades up on, and I got the protection right here for the blades. Got the stand right here. It's very good. So it should be ready. There's like, let me see, 1, 2, 3, like 4 different pieces you put together right here. This one gets just 2 screws. This guy's 2 screws. It's very simple. This one's right here, the power blade is just to click on it. You don't need to like use any screws or anything. So that's done, and now I'm charging the battery. So supposedly when it charges, it should be just this light right here on. So right now it's charging, so I'm gonna do it like that. I don't know how many hours. This is the remote. The remote needs 4 AA batteries that are already placed in there. Okay. So, go. So it should be almost ready. You're gonna charge it for tonight. We'll play with maybe tomorrow, and then I'll take another video. I'll probably use the camera. I mean, most likely, obviously. That's one of the main reasons why I got this one, because it comes with a camera. Now, it would be nice if this camera is really the 8 megapixels they're saying here. Megapixel, sorry. Because when I asked for this guy right here, it didn't say 8 megapixels, it says 5 megapixels. So let's see how that goes. Well, we hope so. We hope that we get the 8 megapixels on it, like it says in the box. And then we'll see what else this thing can do. So yeah, next video will be that. So thanks for watching. Bye.